CarPlay from Apple is one of the most popular ways to make an Apple iPhone a direct part of your vehicle experience. You can connect CarPlay using a USB cable or connect wirelessly. This video will show you the steps for both. For wired connections, connect the cable to the leftmost USB port and to the iPhone. When prompted on screen, tap Yes. You may be asked to grant permissions on screen, and you may also be asked permission to use CarPlay on your iPhone as well. When you plug in your iPhone for the first time and approve CarPlay on your iPhone, you may be asked if you want to use CarPlay wirelessly. If you wish to use wireless CarPlay, select Yes and follow on-screen instructions. To set up wireless CarPlay manually, go to the touchscreen. Press Home, tap the Apple CarPlay icon, select Connect Phone, and select Connect New Device. First, make sure that your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. On the car screen, tap Search for Devices. Tap the name of the iPhone. Verify that the pairing code shown on your phone and on the touchscreen are the same. In the unlikely event the codes don't match, there may be more than one phone in range. Put other phones in airplane mode to continue with pairing. Then select Pair on the iPhone. If the phone has been previously connected, you will now be connected to Apple CarPlay. If this is the phone's initial connection, select Yes on the touchscreen. Again, you may be asked to grant permissions on screen. You may be asked to sync favorites and contacts, as well as permission to turn on Wi-Fi and use CarPlay. The iPhone should now be shown under Manage Device Connections on the touchscreen. Apple CarPlay is now connected. To disconnect or delete your iPhone, press Home, select General Settings, Connections, Manage Device Connections, and then your iPhone. To disconnect the phone, select Disconnect. To delete the phone entirely, select Delete Device, and then tap Delete on the next screen. For more helpful tips on your Honda, visit the Honda Info Center at hondainfocenter.com.